Okay, working on a YH14 Kymron. It's got this pad on it. I've already taken the floorboard out, and underneath here there is a bolt. That is this bolt that allows you to, which you can barely see right down here at the bottom. There's a bolt there, there's a bolt back there, and there's two more on that side. Trying to take this off so that I can tighten those four bolts up, because the nuts that are on the bottom side, on this side, were gone. They evidently were not tightened down from the factory, and so the console started vibrating. And at first look, it looked like all you had to do was take all these face bolts off, and this rubber shroud, plastic shroud, should just come right off. But there's something down in there about halfway that is just not letting this thing slide up. I thought it was the handles. It doesn't seem to be the handles. Maybe it is, but you've got four bolts here with nuts on the back side that you will potentially lose, and it sure looks like this should just slide up and come off of there, because you got to get it over top of these handles. Anyway. So I'm not real sure how to get this piece off, but I've managed to get a wrench on the back side underneath the floorboard, and then I could get the wrench on the top side to tighten this, so I could tighten that up. And because that wasn't tight, then when the machine would vibrate, then this whole thing would vibrate, and it would just be magnified in the handles, and things started moving when you didn't think they were supposed to be moving. So if somebody's got a way to get this shroud off, comment underneath and let me know.